So now we got to do, this side is still good, the main hatch, which is good because that's the heavy part. The glass I want to fix because the glass I use probably more than the main hatch itself. So let's go ahead and grab our tools, grab our thing, and get started. Let's go, baby. Woo. Well, here's what you're gonna need. First of all, you're gonna need a replacement strut. Now, I can only find one for the time being at my local store. One is good enough because this is not heavy glass, so it should be perfectly fine. And you can find this at any O'Reilly's, any auto parts, whatever, PepBoys, God knows whatever you have over there, you'll find it. That's all you need. So just make sure you match because these are kind of multi-vehicle fit. They'll fit a variety of vehicles. They're kind of all universal anyway. Just make sure you get the right clipping system and, of course, the right number that matches the type that your vehicle has used. Pretty universal on many different makes and models, including foreign and domestic. Pretty easy. Then, if your thing is already collapsing, you're going to need a pair of lock pliers there, a pair of normal pliers, needle nose, and some kind of screwdriver or flat edge to be able to pry that clip off, to pop this thing off. And that's it. Easy. Well, let's get to it. Well, I thought the round one would be round enough, but I guess not, so I have to get a flat pair here and then adjust it out. Holds a little tighter here. Something like this here. There we go. There, boom. Of course, you can just continuously do that, you know, as part of your normal just survival mechanism, but we're not about that, right? We're actually going to fix this thing, might as well. So let's go ahead. We'll get over here. And you see, right there, you got those little clips right there. They just have to be pried out. One there, and then up here as well. It's a little collar piece here. That needs to be pried out there. Ugh, that was yucky. Teriyaki right there. All right. And then that one, yeah, right here's the collar right there. See right there? Like a little line and a little groove. You just pop the thing out. Pop that thing out. Bang, bang. Open up this one. Put it on the studs. Close it down. Bang, bang. Ain't no thing. Let's do it. Now I got a nice skinny little screwdriver here. This is going to fit in much better. Basically pop her in right there. That's it. Just pull it out. See? Like this. Boom. Boom. Easy. Yeah. Doesn't have to come out all the way, I don't believe. Let's see. I think you just have to get it. Oh, maybe you do have to come out almost all the way there. Well, that should be able to come right off the stud. Bang. Just like that. Easy peasy. And just do the same thing up top here. Up top, you get your thing slid into there. And pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Bang. Look at that. Easy squeezy, Mr. Peasy. Done. All this dead stud is dead stud. All right, let's go ahead and chuck her in the chuck pile. Chuck! Roast. There we go. Now we gotta open up this one and put her on. Let's go. Now you wanna do one side at a time just so you don't forget like your orientation and everything, because somebody likes to be disoriented. Right? Right. Oops. Right. Right. There you go. Ooh, ooh. I need a filming crew, man. This kind of sucks. You want to be the TheFuzzyFixer filming crew? Let me know. It's amazing the tailgate is actually some kind of aluminum or something. It does not have any ferrous metal in it. The magnet ain't sticking to it. Weird, huh? Oh, here's the thing. Son of a bitch. There you go. See? Exact same clipping mechanism right there. Boom. Boom. So, of course, you got to bring your old one to make sure you measure to the right size. And you want it to be just a little bit longer on full extension than your thing is, because you want it to extend all the way out so it actually pushes in. So now we're going to go ahead and pull our thing back here. Like this. Easy, easy. And then like that. All right, we're going to plop her onto the thing here. Lock her in. And that's it. Make sure she locks in all the way. Yep, she does. Good. I'm going to pull out this bottom one here. There we go. Just enough so we can put it over the stud here. And then we have to kind of compress it just a wee bit. There we go. All right, like that. Okay. I have to make sure that we get this out enough so we can get the stud on. Okay. And plop her on. That's it. She locks. Yep, it's locked in. Locked in. And that's it. I wonder if it's locked all the way or not. So it locks in all the way. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. All right. Well, let's go ahead and release the hatch and let the hounds loose. Let's see what happened. Let's go. Whee! Is this thing going to eat my head alive? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. Nope. We Gucci. All right. Let's see. Everything clear? Everything clear? Oh, look how beautiful it is. Pop. Oh, yeah. And of course, because it's not dual, it's going to be a little bit slower, but that's okay. That's all we need. Easy peasy, lemon peasy, man. Don't let your hatch eat you anymore, because eating you ain't good. Like I said before, you don't want to get eaten. Getting eaten is no fun. I can tell you from theoretics, not from experience. Except recently. There we go. All right, let's keep on rocking, you know. Let's go check our check engine light. Check, check, check. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Let's go ahead and clean up our shit and then move on to the next thing. Let's go. Ah, this is beautiful. Look at this. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to join up. Don't forget to spread the video far and wide. The algo is being a little bitch. Let's go ahead and kick it in its butt. Anyway, I'll see you all next time. Check out the playlist, like I said. Check out the other stuff. And, well, see you all next time. Stay wild. Woo!